Hey guys, good afternoon. Today is what, Tuesday, and we are still stuck at home self-quarantining ourselves. By the way, if you are here on our channel for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And my name is Romy, and that's my wife Sherry eating some rice. Oh, you can't even see her because of the light, but okay, that's fine. So yeah, we are still self-quarantining ourselves at home, and look at the weather outside. Let me show you how pretty and perfect it is. Look at the weather. It's perfect outside, and it's a shame we cannot go outside, but hey, what can we do? But we had our lunch sitting here. We sat there, had our lunch, so it was fine. And Sherry is still eating rice. What you eating? Rice,
and
sugar, brown sugar, and ghee? You like that, huh? So yeah, we just self-quarantining ourselves, stuck at home, making a random vlog. I just picked up a new hobby, by the way, guys. Look, I learned how to solve this, and there was a video on TikTok which fooled me. जो Sherry ने मुझे भेजी थी. So basically, I don't know if you guys want to know about it. Let me know. I'll tell you what happened. So, but I did learn how to solve this. It's pretty good. Everyone is learning something. What did you learn while you are self-isolating or quarantining yourself?
how to eat.
How to eat? Didn't you start drawing? It was pretty good. I saw your drawings. It was pretty good.
No, but I've been doing that.
Yeah, but you're essential, so you have to go to work.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Almost time.
It's almost time for her to go to work, and I'm gonna drop her, because that's what I've been doing. Because it's a miracle I get a chance to go outside the house to, you know. So I drop her in the evening, pick her up in the morning, so I get to see sun and all that good stuff, outside people, whatever is going on outside. All right, I'm gonna unsolve it and solve it really quick. Let's see. Alright, I think this is good, right? You wanna time me? Ready? I'm ready. Hold on. Okay, I'm ready. I think.
Okay, start.
Okay. Okay, done.
Oh, pause. Okay, wow, that was actually...
No way!
No, not... You have to add
Okay.
a minute to this.
Why?
Because first I did 30 seconds.
Okay, so basically, what do you have, like 350?
4 minutes.
So 4 minutes, I'm able to finish it. It's just my speed is so slow, but I'm still learning. But I know how to fix it though. I know how to solve it, but it's just I'm super slow. But yeah, I still love it. I'm gonna try 4x4 in a few days. I don't know. I'm still trying to build up speed in this. So yeah, 4 minutes, not bad. It's so pretty outside today. I wish we could go to the beach or to the park. Should I go to Echo Park today to run? No? I mean, I've seen people running there.
You don't even have your running shoes on.
No, I'll come home and, you know, wear my shoes and then go. I need to work out because I haven't been moving my body and I'm getting fat. Sherry forgot her phone, so I'm gonna go grab it really quick in the house. And I'm gonna carry my bandana. Funny story, I was trying to pay for my gas. They didn't let me in because I didn't have my mask on, so I started carrying my bandana now, just in case. You know how it's funny? Earlier you cannot wear a bandana and go to like a mall or something. Yesterday we went to Walmart, and then they didn't say anything. I was wearing this, and a lot of people were wearing bandanas, so no one said anything.
It used to be so packed here at this time, remember?
Yeah.
And I used to leave for work at like 6 and sometimes even earlier, but look at now, it's 6:22 and we're probably gonna get there like in 10 minutes. The weather's so beautiful today. I wish I was off so we could have both went like walking, running, or jogging just like this man.
Oh, he's just jogging to cross the.
Oh.
Because his light is.
Well, you better do some workout.
Yeah, I know. I'm being so lazy. I need to do something. I'll probably do something. I don't know. We'll see.
Yep.
Probably run today. I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, text me whatever you're doing.
Okay.
And the best husband award goes to.
Thank you. Thank you. I really like
He's
boba.
the sweetest. Oh, I love this stuff. We're almost there, and it's 36, but we spent like 5 minutes at this place, so.
There she goes. I'll be back at 7:30 to pick her up in the morning. So I dropped Sherry at her work. I'm back at home, and I'm thinking to run a little bit today. So I can't go out, so I'm gonna run in my apartment building, and let's see how it goes. Let me get ready. I have to wear my shoes, and I should be ready to run. I'm wearing my bandana just in case, because I'm gonna breathe heavy, so I just want to keep my breathing to myself, or you know, just to be safe. And then I'm using this app to see how much I'm gonna run. I'm gonna try to run 5K. It's gonna be hard for me because I don't run at all. At least for the past month and a half, I haven't run. And I used to run once in a while, you know, here and there, like once or twice a week. But I haven't run in a while, and then I'm really bad shape. So I'm gonna try to do a 5K. Let's see if I can do it or not. And all those people who are saying, oh, 5K, that's not a big deal. I know you can do it because you run and all, you're fit, but for me it's gonna be hard, so I'll try. All right, so let's go. And I'm gonna run in my hallway. I'm gonna run in my hallway. Right, so start. Allow. Alright, let's see. So I'm gonna start from here. But it's not tracking for some reason. Alright, so I'm gonna use a different app now. This is the app I'm gonna use. So 5K is approximately 3.1 mile. So I'm gonna try to run 3.1 mile. And this is actually calculating it, so it's slow, but it is. So I'm not gonna count this 0.7. I'm gonna start all over again. So I have to do at least 4 miles today, like compared to if I compare to that app. So I'll try to run 4 miles and see if I can do it. So I just took a round walking, and I'm gonna start running again. Yeah, this is working. So all right, here we go. I have ran 1 mile already. So I ran 1 mile. I'm gonna walk now for like 2 laps, and then I'm gonna start running again. So I started from 0.7 and now it's 1.7. So it's 1 mile already. Alright guys, so I finally finished it. So according to this app, 3.8 miles, and we started from 0.7 I believe, so that's 3.1 miles, 5 kilometers. According to my watch, 3.2 miles, so again 5 kilometers, and the actual app 6.68 kilometers. So I finally finished my 5k, and I'm just gonna take a lap to cool down. But we have different numbers because I started my app at different points, so that's why I have different numbers. So it took me about 1 hour to do it, which is really bad. I'm feeling accomplished. I kind of finished it, so, and I'm feeling really good now because it's a really good workout. 5 kilometers. For some people, they're like, that's nothing. That's light work. But for me, it's really, you know, hard job. So I actually was able to do it. I might do it tomorrow too. I don't know. I kind of liked it. Took me about, I don't know, 50 minutes, 1 hour. I don't know. But yeah. You know what? I'm gonna do it tomorrow too. I'm not going to record tomorrow, but I will do it tomorrow too. So just get into the habit, because I'm not doing anything right now, just, you know, stuck in the house, so might as well just, you know, work out, lose some weight, and yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower right now, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, I just took a long shower and it feels so good because my back is hurting and my feet are killing me really bad. But I'm gonna do this tomorrow also, so I can get in shape and then get used to it and get healthy. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.